Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to turn on new email notifications on the X app using your PC following the latest update. Whether you want to stay instantly informed about likes, mentions, or messages, this quick guide will help you set it up in just a few steps. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to receive notifications for. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see several icons there: Home, Explore, Messages, and more. Click on the one labeled Notifications. Now that you're on your notifications page, look for the small settings option. This is typically represented by a gear icon. Click on it to open your notification settings panel. This is where you can fine-tune how and when you want X to alert you. Next, inside the settings section, click on Preferences. Then select Push Notifications from the menu. Here's where you'll find all the latest notification-related options that came with the new update. X has made it easier to customize notifications, making sure you only get alerts about what truly matters to you. Scroll down to the section labeled Related to You and Your Posts. This area controls how X keeps you updated about interactions with your content. To turn on email notifications for new activity, simply check the box next to New Notifications. Once you check that option, your preferences will automatically be saved. From now on, you'll receive email updates whenever there's activity related to your posts, things like new comments, mentions, and other engagement. And that's it. You've successfully turned on new email notifications on X using your PC. It only takes a minute, and now you'll never miss an important update again. Keep exploring the rest of the settings if you want to customize other alerts. But for now, you're all set to stay connected on X.